is Rosa. I am 10 years old and I have a rare condition called arthrogryposis.
Today we're going to be reviewing and also unboxing some cards that were sent to us by Love Pop and also Miracle Flights. We want to give you guys a little details on how we got involved into this campaign. And we're so excited, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to show you guys the cards. Rosa and I have not seen them yet, but before I do, I want to talk about how Rosa got invited into this campaign. Miracle Flights, as you guys know, we have been traveling to Philadelphia for already 20 times, and they have sponsored our flights to Shriners. Thanks to Miracle Flights, it has been possible for us to travel to Shriners in Philadelphia. So when this opportunity came our way, we were so excited and grateful to be a part of it because we want to give back. Proceeds from every Love Pop card that you purchase from this collections that we're about to show you are going to go to Miracle Flights, and it's going to help kids like Rosa travel to their destination for better care and for specialists and all that. So if you guys want to be a part of that, everything is going to be linked down below in the description box so you guys can check out their website. Not only do they have this 5 cards, but they also have a bunch of different styles, and it's super cute. And like I said, we haven't opened it yet, but I did get a chance to look at their website on the other day and also their Instagram, and I will leave it also down below so that you guys can follow them. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing of these beautiful cards from Love Pop. Okay, Rosa, you're gonna open this one first.
Yay! I have not seen these at all.
Okay.
It's like a surprise.
So here you go. Oh no, that's the envelope. So this is how they come.
First it has like a little paper and then an envelope. And see how it kind of has the printing of the logo. Whoa! I did not expect this. It is so adorable. It's like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's like a baby bear. And it has like this basket full of like eggs. And it has a headband with some bunny ears, and one is kind of like flopped to the side. It is my like favorite out of the first one I had.
You can write like a little message and then you put it back in there. Super cute. I haven't seen something like this and I really like it. I'm excited to see how the other ones look. Alright, so we're gonna show you guys another card. This is so cute. And over here we have our next card, and it's a teddy bear, and let's see how it looks inside. Do you want to open it?
Yeah. It looks so cute how like they cut it and stuff. So, oh my gosh! It is so adorable.
Wow, this is so cute for Diego for his birthday. It would be perfect.
Wow, yeah.
Well, I love how like the details of it. What do you love the most about it? It's pretty clever if you ask me, how you close it and it's perfectly closed. I did see a few different like styles on their website, and honestly this is adorable. I love it.
I really do love this little hat. It kind of gives like the nighttime effect, kind of like
the stars.
Yeah, like the stars, like a galaxy basically. I love this so much, and I think I can give this to my brother because he's very special to me and we are very close and stuff. So, and also his birthday is coming up, so this is probably going to be so perfect. So yeah. And also a little fact about my brother, his birthday is on February 14th, so it's on Valentine's Day. It's very cool though. I think it's cool. The next card I want to show you is this very cute bear card. I mean, they're all bears, but this one's like a classic kind of bear, you know? Let's open it. maybe you could give it to like your best friend, or like your mom or your dad, or any kind of person or whatever, and you can write it. I think it's very clever that how they made it pop out. And I just noticed that on the back, it actually has the logo. It's very, very clever. So, yeah. It is officially time for the second to last. And, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I think this is perfect for my dad because it has like the little hat. Oh my gosh. I think this is the most detailed I have seen out of all of them. Wow, and it's so cute. Like, it's so pretty and beautiful. And in here in the back, it actually has like its little like briefcase, I think it's a briefcase, so that's just me, but it's very adorable. And I love how the fishing stick, I don't know what it's called, but it's really cute how they put like so much detail into it. And the hat, oh my gosh, the hat. Wait, there's a fish? Oh wow, I think it's a catfish. It looks like a catfish. And I really like it with the little spots on the fish. It's very adorable. I just think all of these cards are going to be adorable because, you know, they're bears, they're baby bears. This one is going to be for my dad because he always does so much for us, and I'm very grateful for him. And I think this is going to be perfect for him. He's going to be so happy on Father's Day. And finally, the last but not least, I have saved the best for last. Oh my gosh. It looks like Athena in baby form. I mean bear form.
Athena in baby form. Oh, this is adorable.
Yes, it is. It looks a lot like Easter though. Like with the little grass. Is definitely for Mother's Day because it's very like rosy and mothers love these stuff. I definitely am gonna give someone something for Mother's Day. And also you also have the option to pop out a card, like the card inside it, and write it to your loved one, and then pop it back in, and then surprise for them.
Don't forget, for the month of March, proceeds of the Love
Pop.
The Love Pop cards are gonna go to Miracle Flight. So it's gonna help families like us to get our kiddos to our medical treatments and our destinations of where we wish to take them for better medical care. So we will appreciate it so much if you guys can purchase a card, and everything is going to be in the description box. Again, this video is not sponsored, but we were invited to be a part of this campaign, and mainly Rosa. But I wanted to share it also in my channel since I know you guys enjoy watching Rosa, and it's a great cause for an amazing organization as Miracle Flights. Whoops, the sun is on my face. Let me move it a little bit. And finally, this is for Rosa because she's my miracle. I'm gonna write something special here so that I can give it to her. And yeah, how about you, Rosa?
Here you go.
Well, you have to write something in here.
Surprise!
This is gonna be for me, but I love it. It's so adorable.
Isn't it so cute? I love it.
Yeah, you have to write a message, Rosa, in here though.
Yes, I know.
Because just like that, it's special, it's beautiful, but once you write a message inside, it makes it extra, extra special.
It makes it warm inside your heart.
For sure. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you on our next one.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
And be sure to comment down below which one was your favorite. Personally, mine was the Mother's Day card. It is so adorable. And pink. Who doesn't love pink? Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I love you. Mwah! Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. Bye! Love you guys. Mwah!